Hi everyone, today I'm going to be solving 4.1 chemistry period. So, select the pictures that shows a chemical. It's a relatively easy question if you know that a chemical change requires a formation of a new substance. So, um, if from a liquid water, we can go back to ice easily. Same as here, we don't really change the state, we just change the physical appearance. Here, it's a chemical reaction which requires rusting. That's it. Now, which of the following processes represent a physical change? Mixing gaseous ammonia with hydrogen peroxide gas to a white residue. Well, we're obtaining a new solution. That means we're undergoing chemical change. So no, dissolving copper sulfate in water to obtain a blue solution. We're dissolving something in water. Um, dissolving like is counted as a physical change. So this is the correct answer. Rusting of iron, we just picked that it's a chemical change, so no. Burning a piece of wood, no. But melting wax upon heating, that's a physical change. Now, burning or putting gas in air, it's a chemical change. Grinding coal, physical change. Dissolving copper sulfate, that's a physical change. Boiling water, physical change. And heating whatever, it's a chemical change. Now, a change that does not cause a change in mass. So it can be said of both because we know that during any chemical reaction, mass is conserved. And change that produces a new kind of matter, that's chemical change. Change in the form of matter, that's physical change. And large change of heat, that's chemical. Now, chemical change produces no observable change in mass, same as a physical change. Chemical change is accompanied by considerable heat change, and physical change produces no kind of matter. Now, chemical change is rusting of iron in moist air, crushing of glass object to powder, that physical change, changing of water to steam, physical change, and boiling an egg, that's a chemical. Now, we can refer to sublimation as a physical change, burning of a magnesium ribbon, that's a chemical change, slicing a loaf of bread, physical, folding a paper, also physical, rusting of iron, chemical, and dissolving ink in water, that's considered as a physical change. Chewing of food and breaking down into small fragments is an example of physical change, and turning starch into sugars, that's a chemical change. That's pretty much it for 4.1. Thank you for your attention and good luck on your periodic.